Hi and welcome to another video for year 7 maths. So last time we did solving linear equations in the first part. So let's do for the second part for solving linear equation. So today you are going to deal with when you have to collect and simplify like terms, and also when you have to do expansion first before you use equality rule to solve a linear equation. Okay, so let's have a look here. And example number 1, solve the following. So here you have x minus 4 minus 3x equals 10. So what you're going to do first is to simplify the like terms, which is x minus 3x. So I'm going to arrange this first, x minus 3x, and then minus 4 equal 10. So x minus 3x, you will have negative 2x minus 4 equals 10. So this is familiar. This is already simplified. So what we're going to do is you have to apply the equality rule. So what you're going to do first is to plus 4 on both sides. So this one minus 4 will be gone. So it will have negative 2x equals 10 plus 4 will give you 14. Okay, so when you have 2x equals 14, okay, 2x equals 14, so you have to do division by negative 2. So when you divide 2x, negative 2x divided by 2, this will be cancelled. So therefore your x will be negative 7. Right, so that's the first part. Okay, for the next part here, in example B, 4x plus 15 equal to x plus 5. So what we're going to do is here, since you have x on both sides, so you cannot have that. So you have to make sure that x is on one side. So here it's preferable that you have to collect them in the same left side. So what we're going to do here, the first step is you have to subtract 2x from both sides. So what I'm going to do here is I will use this one, minus 2x on both sides. So when I subtract 2x from the right side, you will no longer have 2x. But for x minus 2x on the left side, you will have 2x, right? And then plus 15 equal the only number 5. So what we're going to do next is, this is already a simplified equation, so subtract by 15 on both sides. So here your 15 is gone, you are left with 2x equals 5 minus 15 is negative 10. So this one, negative 2x equals negative 10, solving by division on both sides. So when you can divide 2x by 2, cancel 2, therefore x is 10, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, right? So that's for the first two parts. So let's proceed to another one where you have brackets like this. So you have to apply expansion first. So let's do the first part here. For bracket x plus 2 equals 15. So what you're going to do is you expand 4, right? So negative, 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 2 is 8 equals 15. So apply equality rule, so you have to subtract minus 8 on both sides. So you will get here 8 is cancelled. So what you're going to do is 4x equals 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 will give you 7. So next one is 4x equals 7. So 4x will be divided by 4. Okay, and then on the right side, you also do the same thing. So therefore, your x will be 7 out of 4. You can leave your answer like this, or you can make it into a mixed number. So here, the mixed number will be 1. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 will give you 7 on the numerator. So that's your answer for this part, okay? Right, so let's move on to the next part. Next part here is that you have 2 bracket x minus 5 minus bracket x plus 4 equals 2. So just remember that behind or next to the minus sign is actually 1 next to the bracket. So when you expand, you're actually expanding negative 1. So here the same thing happened. You have to expand for each pair, and then you will have 2x minus 10 equal, not equal, minus x minus 4 equals 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange the like terms. So 2x minus x, and then minus 10 minus 4 equals 2. So 2x minus x is 1x. Right? So x minus 10 minus 4 is negative 14 equals 2. So next one is just you have to plus 14 on both sides. So cancel 4, therefore 14. So therefore your answer will be 2 plus 4 is 16. So that's for the second part of part B. And then next one you have part C here. Just do the same thing that you usually do, which is expanding 3. So 3 times half x will be 3 over 2x, and then plus 3 times 1 is 21, 3 times 7 is 21 equal 15. So what we're going to do next is subtract 21 on both sides. So you are left with 3 over 2. X equals 15 minus 21 is going to be 6, right? So when you have this, you have 3 out of 2. X equals negative 6. So this, since in between is multiplication, so you have to divide both sides by 3 out of 2, right? So this one is cancelled. Here you will have 6 divided negative 6 divided by 3 out of 2. So here you will have x equals negative 6. This one change and reciprocal. So change the sign to multiply. 2 out of 3 is the reciprocal for this one. Okay, so 2 out of 3. So you cancel 6 and 3. So 3 becomes 1. 6 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore, your answer will be negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So yeah, so that's basically how you work out on how to solve linear equations using equality rule when you have brackets and when you have terms that you need to simplify first. So that's it. Thank you very much and see you again.